Hi, hello, welcome to today's video. Today's video we're going to be learning about colors, and we're going to be using my special box here full of different colored eggs. Wow, can you say eggs? Eggs. And under each of the eggshells is a different color. Should we find out which color is under this eggshell here? Ready? Open. Open. Surprise! We have a orange egg. Look. The color is orange. Can you say orange? Orange. Now I wonder which color would be under this egg. Should we have a look? Open. Open. Surprise! We have a purple egg. Can you say purple? Purple. Wow. I wonder what color will be under this egg. Should we have a look and see? Open. Open. Surprise! We have a yellow egg. Wow. Look, it's a yellow egg. Look, the color is yellow. I wonder what'll be under this egg. Should we have a look? Open. Open. Surprise! We have a blue egg. Wow, look, it's a blue egg. Blue. Now I wonder what might be under this egg just here. Should we have a look? Open. Open. Surprise! We have a pink egg. Wow, look, it's a pink egg. Wow. And now to the final egg. Should we see what's in this one? Ready? Open. Open. Surprise! We have a green egg. Can you say green? We have a green egg. Wow. We have some of our favorite Paw Patrol characters here as well to help us with the colors. Do you know what this character is? This is Rubble. Look, Rubble on the double. And what color shirt has Rubble got? Can you tell me? That's correct, it is. It's a yellow top. So Rubble has got a yellow top on. Wow. Do you know who this character is? Yes, it is. It is Sky. And what colour top has Sky got on? Sky has got a... Yes, Sky has got a pink top on. Sky is wearing the top pink. Wow, Sky's wearing pink. Do you know who this character is? Yeah, that's right, it's Zuma. And Zuma has got a orange top on. Correct. Zuma is wearing the colour orange. Well done. Look, Zuma's wearing an orange top. Do you know who this character is? Yeah, that's right, it's Rocky. And Rocky is wearing the colour green. Correct. Rocky is wearing the colour green. Rocky has a green top on. Wow. Do you know what character this is? Who's this character? That's right, it's Marshall. Wow, well done. And what colour top is Marshall wearing? Marshall is wearing a red top. Correct. Marshall is wearing a red top. Well done. Look. And which character is this? This is... Correct. It is Chase. And what top is Chase wearing? Chase is wearing a blue. Chase is wearing a blue top. Wow, well done. Here we have a caterpillar. Look, wow. Do you know what colour this is? This one just here. This is the colour purple. Can you say purple? Well done. Purple. And what colour is this one? Correct, this is blue. Well done, this is a blue. And what colour is this one? Correct, this is green. Well done. This is a green. And what colour is this one? What colour is this? Correct, it's yellow. Well done. And what colour is this one? Correct, it is. It is orange. Well done. Orange. Well done. The last one. And what colour is this? Red. Well done. This is the colour red. Well done.